Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the Full Stack Developer series. And this video we continue with the inheritance with Hibernate. So this is the third way to implement this. This is called joined. Okay, so the join means that we will use the we will join the table together. And you see in the code, in the SQL code here, it's very similar with the previous one, but just a little bit different that we just remove the field, the duplicate field name here inside the regular employees and the contract employee tables. You see we have just one field here, but in some real case we can have more than one field like this. For example, you can have the address or the level, for example. So when you remove the duplicate field like this in the other tables, it can save too much duplicate data. So that is also an advantage for this approach. Okay, and yeah, this code is very easy. You can understand the previous ones, or you can get the code in the description. I put the link below. Alright, so let's go to the, after you run successfully the code to change the database, you can go to the Java code and change something. So for this approach, we also to change the inheritance type here, to change it to joined. Okay, very easy, right? And this is for just the parent class. In the parent, we just do this. Okay, and yeah, you see, you remember that in the previous one we must use the auto type for the strategy of the generated value annotation, right? For this, we will change it to use the identifier now. Okay, and just go to the regular employee and change for them. Now because we don't use the we don't want to use the duplicate data, especially we don't use the field, the override field, because it's existing in the parent class or the parents table, right? So now we just remove it and change it to use the primary join column. And here you just put the name is the ID. Okay, and the primary key join column indicates that what the field that you want to join. Okay, so the field you want to join is the ID in your table, in the regular employee table, and we join with the ID in the employee table. Okay, and we will do the same with the contract employee, and very simple. That's it. We just finished to configuration the mapping files or the entities. Now we go back to the app and yeah, we just run it. And yeah, we have the same result here by doing this approach. Okay, very easy, right? So in this approach, you see we have more advantage that that the table that we are designed in the database is normalized. Okay, you see the employee now have if you have more field instead of just the name, you can see what is the difference. Okay, and we also set not null for the field is the parent in the children table. Okay, for example, we have the regular and the contract employee with some other field just appear in them. Okay, we can set not null for those fields. And yeah, for this approach, we only have one problem, that's the low performance, because we use the join. The join related to the child classes in query, so that's made performance being low. Okay, I think that's it for this video. It's very short, right? Because the configuration is very easy to implement. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.